Do you keep seeing AI generated action figures around social media and you wonder how people are creating them? Well, today I'll show you. Stay tuned and subscribe to this channel, like this video, and this is Jay Techie. Without further ado, let's get started. So, I'm sure you've probably seen images like this one on the screen, and this is from the New York Times, and they're even talking about how these images are created. Well, I'm gonna create my own right now in front of you guys so that it can be more clear on how this is done. So, what you can do is go to ChatGPT and make sure to select the ChatGPT 4.0, and then you can use this prompt that I have here. It says, make a picture of a 3D action figure toy named Software Engineer. Make it look like it's being displayed in a transparent plastic package, blister packaging model. The figure is as in the photo. His style is very tech savvy black man. On the top of the packaging, there's a large writing software engineer in white text when below it. A catchy subtitle. Figure is dressed in typical Silicon Valley style clothes. Also, add some supporting items for the job next to the figure, like computer, tablet. The packaging design is minimalist, cardboard color, cute toy style, sold in stores. The style is cartoonish, cute, but still neat. Also put JTech logo in the top right corner. And of course, depending on your situation, you would put your own custom version of what you want your thing to look like. It, of course, it doesn't have to be software engineer. It could be anything you want, and the name could be anything you want, and their appearance, anything you want. And so it asked me, sure, please upload the photo you want me to use as the reference for the software engineer figure's look. So I went ahead and uploaded a photo of myself, and so this is what it produced. And I in my actual prompt, I put a catchy subtitle. It took that literally, so I wanted it to fix it, and I said, please make the subtitle "Saving the World with Code." And so that's what it did, and it puts my brand here, software engineer, saving the world with code. Then, based on my picture, it put this little cute figure here with the computer and tablet. So, alright, well, that's how you would create your very own custom AI generated action figure. If you like this kind of content, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and until next time, peace.